In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your account public on Pinterest. Now it's very easy to do, just make sure you pay close attention to ensure you get every single step correct. Let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do, of course, is open up your Pinterest app and you need to make sure you're signed into the account that you want to make public. Now from here, you're going to see in the bottom right hand corner, there is a little icon of a person. You need to go ahead and tap on that. This is going to open up this section here, which is your boards, and in the top left you're going to see your profile. So for me it says a H, go ahead and tap on that. Now here we are inside of our profile, and we've got all of our profile settings that we can go ahead and change. But the one that we're specifically looking for is the one that says profile visibility. You can see for me it's the second one down, it might be somewhere else for your device. So go ahead and tap on that there. And now in here we've got a few options. So the one that we're looking for is private profile. So if this is on the right like this, then that means that your profile is private. If it's on the left, that means your profile is public. So if you want to make sure that your account is public, make sure that the dot is on the left hand side. And that is basically how you go ahead and turn your Pinterest account to public. If you want to change it back, you can go ahead and tap it again and put it onto private. So if you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.